new belt on last night. He munched through his belt drive. How's she going, Aaron?
Tying her back up.
Tying her back up. Get these babies loaded. Well, the Duramax is still running strong. This is like, I don't know, probably the second tank of fuel that I've gone through with her. And she's a unit. This thing's sick. I got some inner fender liners coming, look at this. We'll get that all covered up. Yeah, I got to go get some new wheels and tires for it tomorrow. New fender liner on this side. She's not a bad unit though. Oh, I don't know if I have a permit for this. Don't tell the fish cops. Every time I get my camera out, I forget where I put the lens cap. Found her though. She's looking nice up there. Come on, focus. Oh yeah. For the first time in, I honestly think, ever, Cameron is waiting on us. This never happens. And today he actually might have been on time. No, he was still a little late, wasn't he?
He was still a little late.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's ever going to happen again.
Yeah, you know, we had technical difficulties every time. You know, you're like, oh, we should have just fixed it last night. But we decided, you know, we can bust it out quick this morning, and that never happens. So, anyhow, Cameron's up there, Braxton's up there, and Trevor's behind us. So we got 5 of us today, and we're going straight to the hills.
1 hour later.
So we've already passed 2 parking lots, and they were chock full. And I guess this is what it looks like when you finally get snow, and it's the middle of January, and it's the first snow we've had all winter long. Holy piss. This is nuts. Hopefully we can find a place to park up in here. Oh! What's wrong?
Let's see. Dude! Someone told us to be here at 9:50. 8:45.
We're not even an hour late!
That looks like 7.
This freaking guy. He's always late, so we gotta be late once in a while.
Yeah.
I guess Beaver Creek Lodge is the place to be. This place is packed. It's funny, we roll up, look at these wheels. Cameron doesn't know who this is, so he sees this truck and trailer and he's like, I saw the wheels and I opened up the trailer door and I was expecting to see 50 Cent inside of there or something. Cameron's famous for bringing a legit rotisserie chicken on the mountain. He says he's got more snacks today. Let's see what he's got.
And ham and avocado.
Turkey, ham, and avocado. What else you got in here?
Some
Holy
apples.
piss, dude.
Red
You
Bull
planning on-
protein shake, vitamin water.
Are you planning on staying up here all week?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, today's gonna be so sick. Got me, Trevor, Braxton, his first ride this year, Cameron, and Aaron. Ready? All right. Probably have to put my tractor down. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a bluebird, baby! All right, so we're about maybe a mile from the lodge. We're already up in here into the good stuff, and we're gonna go and get the boys warmed up real quick. honestly, it looks good. Yeah! Whoa, Trevor! I'm dropping us into, but I'm sure it'll be a good time. Yeah, I want to go over in those cliffs and just look at them at least. We'll jump over here. I want to go look at these little cliffs in there, and then we'll gut up this gut and get higher up into the peaks up here. Might have led the boys a little bit astray going on this south-facing slope. There's not a lot of snow over here, but this area looks freaking sick over here. I don't know how I just pulled through that. Oh, that was nuts. That was so gnarly. Jeez. Holy piss. This is what I love about sledding. You just see somewhere that you want to go, and you can just go. Like anywhere your mind can see, you can go. Made it into the zone. Looks like Cam's heading up. Here we go. Nice line cam. Aaron, Brax! Sound like they're over here.
I passed him, so
Oh, that was your line?
yeah, I watched him turn left and I was like, oh shit, so I just held it and kept going.
That was nice, dude.
Yeah, that was a nice line right
All right, so we're chilling here. We just got Aaron resituated. He broke trail though, so in all fairness, it's all right. And now we got a line picked out for Cam. I just went inside. He'll drop that cliff and then kind of drop through here. We're gonna see if he can come bombing up and climb out the gut of this.
Yeehaw.
What do you think, Cam? You got it?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Yeah, buddy! Woo! This is such a sick zone up here, and nobody ever touches it. It's like our own little paradise. Oh yeah, here he comes. Yeah, there is! You were also like 2 inches from my bumper. Oh, it's so freaking deep. Oh yeah. Yeah, Trev! That was nice! There's a rock. Hey, that looked a little bit hairy, Cameron.
Dude, the fucking tracks down there are concrete.
Oh yeah. fucking low fuel, so we should probably get scooting outward, I guess.
Good day, good day.
Oh yeah.